trigonometry, we learn about the reciprocal. Okay, good morning everyone. Let's start our lesson today. Good morning everyone. Let us start our lesson today. So today we'll learn about complementary angles. Complementary. What is the meaning for complement? What does it mean by complement? Can anyone tell me? Complement. Complement mean apa? In BN, can anyone answer me? Complement. Tepi kan? Ataupun temang kan? Is it? Still remember what is complementary angles or not? Yeah, good. Okay. So this is complementary angles. We can say that the two angles are complementary when they add up to 90 degrees. Combine, complement, gabung sama-sama akan jadi 90. When they add up, for example, this is angle B, this is angle B, then A plus B will equal to 90. Then, for example, let's say this angle is 50. What is the angle for another side? You know that there are right angles. Right angle, so the complementary for it is 90 minus 50. See, this is the complementary angle. So the total is 90. So either one is 90 minus another one. Okay? 60, 30, complementary. 5, 85, complementary. The other example is 10 plus 80, 40 plus 50, 20 plus 70, and so on. As long as the sum of the two angles are 90 degrees, then we can say that they are complementary angles. Okay? Then another angle is supplementary. What is the difference between the complementary and supplementary? Supplementary is the total angle. Total of the two angles are 180. Okay, 90. If the total is 90, they are complementary. But if the total is 180, then this is supplementary. But for this topic, for this chapter, we don't learn about supplementary. We learn about the complementary angles only. Okay, so we use this one. Complementary means the sum of the angle is 90 degrees. Then to find another angle is 90 minus the first one. Okay, let's see example. How to find the complementary angle? Okay. A. What is the complementary angle for 50 degrees? So we have to do this. Let's say this is the angle. Then the complementary angle, we always use the symbol prime. Prime means complementary, another side. So the prime is 90 degrees minus 50 degrees. So it's equal to 40 degrees. That's easy. Okay. A. What 10 plus 40? Total is 90. Okay, total is 90. So how about B? 30. The angle is 30 degrees, 15 minutes. Then what is the complementary? How are we going to find this one? So it's equal to 90 degrees minus 30 degrees, 15 minutes. So how to find minute? So it's what? 90 degrees, maybe you can change to like this. 89 degrees, 60 minit. Tukar macam itu masa jam minit lah. Then minus 30 degree 15 minute. Okay, can So it's 45 minute. 4, 5, 6. So this one is 9. 59 degree 45 minutes. Correct? And another way is you change this one 15 minutes to become decimal first. Okay? Another way is change to decimal. So 15 minutes change to decimal. 15 over 60. Use your calculator to play. 15 over 60, how many? 0.25. So it's 30.25 degree. Okay. So it becomes 90 minus 30.25. 59.75 degree. Okay, like this also can. Then if you want to make sure it's lagi selamat, tukar jadi minit lagi lah. 59 degree, okay, 75.75 times 60 again. So we get 45 minutes lah. Okay, either one is up to you. This one is the mathematics only. So how about in radian? How we're going to do the question in radian? 0.5 radian. Okay. So given you the angle is 0.5 radian, then what is the complementary degree? Complementary degree. No need to change to degree because the questions want you to remain in angle. Okay, satu side ialah 0.5 radian. What is another side? Okay, for 90 degree, how many radian? 90 degree. One circle is 2 pi radian lah. Okay, one circle is 2 pi radian, right? So half is pi, then 90 is here, 90 is here is 1 over 2 pi. Nampak tak? Okay, I do revision for you, if you cannot see lah. We write both the answer in, I write here, 0, 90, 180, 270, 360. Okay, now change to radian. Change to radian, 0 radian, or satu circle is 2 pi radian. Okay, 2 pi radian, so half, 180, half is pi radian. Okay, half again, pi over 2 radian. Okay, then this one is pi plus 1 over 2, so it's 3 over 2 pi radian. Okay, this is the basic. So now, it say 90 degree, complementary is 90 degree, 90 degree means that is pi over 2 lah. So this is pi over 2 radian minus 0.5 radian. Okay, pi over 2 minus 0.5 radian. So pi have to change into the, because another side don't have pi. So you cannot remain your answer in pi. So you have to change into the numbers. Where is my calculator? Okay, you count for me, okay? Pi over 2 minus 0.5. So what is your answer? No answer. 1.07096327, right? Okay, round off. Round off. You can up to 1, 2, 3, 4. But it's for 4 significant figure, then it's 1.071 lah. 1.01 radian. Because 4 significant figure, we count from the 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 significant figure. Okay? Semua faham? Any response? And D, and of course another way is you change it into the angles first also can. If you want, you change into the angle first, then 0.5 radian equal to how many degree? 0.5 radian equal to radian to degree become bigger, so it's multiply 180 over pi. So you will get, okay, 90 over pi. So it's 90 degree minus 90 over pi. 90 degree minus 90 over pi. So your answer is 61.35 degree. Then because the answer is radian, so you have to change back into the radian again. 61.25. Okay, degree into radian, smaller 180. Okay, time pi. Answer time pi divided by 180. So you also will get the same answer, 1.071. Okay, same. But no, I don't recommend this method because this method panjang lebar. Okay, the easier way is you change 90 degree into 1 over 2 pi radian. Okay, so now we go to the part D lah. 1 over 4 pi. This is your angle, so your complementary angle is pi over 2 minus 1 over 4 pi radian. Not enough space. I write another side here. So I write my D here. How we determine that it must minus with 90 degree? 90 degree minus the angle. When the question asks you to find the complementary. Okay, plus complementary. Complementary, it means that the total for the two angles are 90 degree. So now you want you to find another complementary angle. So you have to 90 minus the angles you have. So this one. Yes, it is a must. Okay. Later I will show you the example how we're going to find it. Okay, the complementary angle for 1 over 4 pi radian is the complementary kawan dia ialah 90 degree or change to the radian 1 over 2 pi radian minus 1 over 4 pi radian. This is the degree we have. Okay, radian. So 1 over 2 minus 1 over 4 is 1 over 4 again. 1 over 4 pi radian. Okay, just remain in pi. No need to change into the decimals. Okay, so conclusion for the complementary angle is 90 degree minus the angle. Or this is the angle form, but it's for the radian form is 1 over 2 pi radian minus the angle in radian. Okay, so far can follow? Any response? If you have question, please raise your hand. You raise your hand, you press the button raise hand so that I know you have question. If no mean you can follow. Okay, then we continue. Then Of course, you know the trigonometry. This one is for mathematics only lah. Takang itu seolah MS begitu senang, tidak mungkin. Dan ini untuk kamu faham saja. For angle, how we going to find the complementary angle. What you really need to learn is, we need to find the complementary angles for trigonometry. For the trigonometry ratio. It means that the sin theta, then what is the complementary for sin theta? Which one? Itu. Okay, don't worry. Later I will teach you the easier way to remember. Don't worry. Okay. So now you see I use a rectangle to help us get the answer lah. So this is x, this is y. Then what is the value here? Still remember the opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse. And what is the value for hypotenuse here? Here actually is the value for AC. AC suppose is x squared plus y squared square root kan? The theorem Pythagoras, is it? Theorem Pythagoras, correct or not? Yes? Can you respond? You know, everyone know this one, this value is x squared plus y squared square root. Can You tahu kan? Sebab this one is the Pythagoras hypotenuse. Then using the Pythagoras theorem, x squared plus y squared lah. Okay, so far? Understand? So look at the yellow color first. We look at the yellow color first. Then remember Staccato, we have to use Staccato here. Staccato. Okay, Staccato. So x for sin, cos for car, then tangent for to. Okay, we do these three first. We find the sin theta first. Okay, so the angle is here. So what is the first step? First step, I told you, is we have to find the hypotenuse, adjacent, and opposite side first. We have to find out HAO first. So the first step is we need to find out H. So 90 degree here. This is H. Okay, so H is here lah. So after this, you put your finger here. You put your finger at the angle sign. So one finger point to hypotenuse already. So another finger is adjacent. So the value x is adjacent. So another one, of course, y is opposite. Okay, opposite. So what is the value for sin? Sin is all h, all over h. Sin is all over h. All over h is y over square root x squared plus y squared. Okay? Then we find cos car AH. Car A over h. A over h. A x over h hypotenuse. X squared plus y squared. Then tangent. What is tangent? All over A. All over A. All over A is what? All over A is y over x. Okay, so we get the sin cos tangent. How about the cotangent? Cotangent equal to what? Cotangent equal to 1 over tangent, right? TT ma. Second equal to what? Second equal to 1 over what? Can anyone tell me? 1 over cos, Yes, 1 over cos, The third one, 1 over cos. Then cosec, find the third one, x, 1 over sin. 1 over sin. So this one, of course, if from the triangle, we can only find sin cos tangent only. Then how we're going to find the tangent for angles is angle theta 1 over tangent. So it means that the ballet with tangent converse. So tangent is y over x. Then 1 over tangent is x over y. You know why? Because 1 over tangent theta, I show you here, huh? 1 over y, huh? Y over x. Tangent is y over x, huh? So it's 1 divided by y over x. So you terbalikan, so equal to 1 multiply y over x. So your answer is y over, what did I do? Terbalikan is x over y. X over y. So now you get x over y. But you no need to repeat this so much step lah. This step actually no need. So what you need to remember, kalau dia 1 over tangent, terbalik with the tangent lah. Okay, y over x, then it become x over y. Kalau sini tangent ialah a over b, then your cotangent is b over a. Like that. Okay. Then 1 over cos also. 1 over cos, terbalik lah. Then the up is square root x squared plus y squared. Then down is x. Okay. Then cosec is the converse for the sin. Converse for the sin. Then the up is like this. And down is y. This one. They are reciprocal. Okay, reciprocal. The balik. Boleh? Can? Can, huh? So now we go to the complement one. This one we call the complement. That's them the same, huh? Is it the sin theta same with the sin 90 degree minus theta? Not necessary, huh? We look at here. So this is the angle we have now. Now we don't look at the yellow color now. Now we look at the blue color triangle, huh? We have to find the sin cos tangent for the blue color triangle with the angle 90 minus theta. Okay, so this is 90 degree. The hypotenuse still the same, Herschel, hypotenuse. Then angle, put angles here, put your finger here, put your finger here. So one side is hypotenuse, another side is A. So what is your A? Your A, your adjacent side is AD or DC. Can anyone respond? What is the adjacent side? Yeah, AD. Oh, okay, here is AD, adjacent side. You put your finger here. One is hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse, the same one. Another one is adjacent. So the DC is opposite. DC is opposite. Then after this, we use the same concept, sin, cos, tangent. Okay, what is the sin? So now we look at the blue color already. Don't look at the yellow color again. So blue color, sin. Sin, saw, all over H. Okay, this all H and different with the all H just now. So this is so now DC is x because it's rectangle. So x y x y you level first. So now your all H. You see the all A the ballet already difference with the condition just now. So we have to draw well. So all over H, all is x. X, H still the same, square root x squared plus y squared. Okay, then after this, cos, cos ialah AH, tangent OA. Okay, we write first. Okay, AH, A is y lah. Okay, OA, x over y. Okay, then after this, we find cotangent lah. Cotangent, same thing, So this is 1 over tangent 90 minus theta, 1 over cos 90 minus theta, 1 over sin 90 minus theta. So equal to what? Is equal to reciprocal for the tangent. Reciprocal for tangent, x over y, y over x. Reciprocal for cos, that's by y lah. For cos, this one, y at the bottom. Then another one is x at the bottom. Okay, we do this already, so you compare. So anything you can find it out, anything the same. Ada yang sama tak? Sin theta same with which one? This one, same dengan siapa? Sin theta same with which one? This one, right? See, have you seen it? These two the same, right? Sin theta same with the complementary for cos 90 minus theta. Have you seen this? Then another one, cos, dia akan complement with cot10 another side lah. You see? Okay, so the summary, I let you see the picture here, this one. This is the summary we can get it from the value we get just now. See, you just sin theta, this one the same. Then cos, same with sin, then tangent, same with cot10, cot, same with tan. Okay, mereka macam terbalik. So the answer letter will be the same. Yes, the answer letter will be the same. Why we need to know about this relation? Because during the exam, it's not given any formula, right? During exam, formula ini semua tak ada bagi. So you need to generate the relations by yourself. So sometimes the questions will be in this form. So is the question in this form? So you have to know how to change into this form. So that we can find the value for cos theta using the calculator. Because your calculator cannot place this one. Your calculator cannot place the complementary. So you need to you have to manually change it first. Okay, so that we have to know about this relation. So, but now the question is, can you memorize so much relations? So many things to memorize. Is it so difficult for you to memorize so many things? Yeah, of course. Therefore, MX, you know, I don't like to memorize things. So, of course, our mathematician will teach you how to memory with easier way. Okay, don't worry. Okay, cikgu akan ajar, don't worry. So this one, I only want to let you know the relation first. Sin theta will be complementary will be same to cos 90 minus theta because they are reciprocal. And then the cos with the sin, tangent with the cotangent, cot with the tan, secant with the cosec, then cosec with sec. So how you remember? This one, how are you going to remember this one? So many, huh? Then you need to remember the reciprocal formula some more. So how are you going to remember this one? Do you still remember magic hexagon? Magic hexagon? Yeah, I'm going to teach you lah. By using the magic hexagon, we can remember the complementary angles. How are we going to remember the magic hexagon? Let's see. You can do together with me. You draw a hexagon. Starting with first point labyrinth. This is what? The first one is what? Draw what? The center is 1. This one draw what? Tangent first. Tangent equal to sin over cos. Then opposite with tangent, cotangent. Cotangent, cosec. Cosec, secant. Okay? Then I change color of my pen. Sin theta. Complement with cos. Draw an angle to the right hand side. Sin complement with cos. So sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta. Okay. Then draw an angle again. Go to right hand side. Tangent theta. Complement with cotangent. 90 minus theta. Then this one. Secant equal to cosec 90 minus theta. And the same thing, you want the ballet also can. Cosec, the ballet, secant, cosec lah. cos sin. Then if you tebalkan cos, will be sin. Go to left hand. Kalau dia one line lah, same line, then we can say that they are the relation, are the complementary. Can you remember this one? What you need to do is you have to know how to draw the magic hexagon. Then you have to know what is the error for the meaning. So we call it as the error for the meaning. Okay. It's for the reciprocal. For reciprocal, different. For reciprocal, I change another color. I change to green. For reciprocal, kita pakai ini lah. Kita pakai ini kan. These two. Reciprocal, sin reciprocal with cosec. We go to error here. This one we go here. This one opposite side. So reciprocal is sin equal to 1 over cosec. Is it? Sin because it's passed by 1. Sin equal to 1 over cosec. Then cos equal to 1 over second. Then another one, tan equal to 1 over cotangent. This one I think no problem for you to remember, right? The three basic one, reciprocal can remember lah, because we can look at the third alphabet here. But if complementary may be hard for you to memorize, so you can use this method. You can use hexagon to help you to remember. Okay? This is the way. Tangent, reciprocal. Just now I showed already. Okay? So this one is the angles one. For example, I give you 30 degrees. So you know it's straightforward. You can change. You want to change it into the cos equal to how many? Then you give you cotangent. Then you want to change to another side. Is how many? You know this part? Complementary. Sin cos. So 90 minus 30. So it's 60. Okay, this one I understand or not? They are reciprocal. From the hexagon, you know they are reciprocal. Sin cos. So this is 90 minus 30. This is 90 minus 80. This is 90 minus 40. So you can change to the complementary angles with the complementary angles. Then if the answer is in radian, radian also lah. So you remember 90 degree is 1 over 2 pi. 1 over 2 pi minus 0.1 pi. Okay, so the answer is 0.4 pi lah. Then this one, also the same thing. 1 over 2 pi minus 1 over 4 pi. And this one, 1 over 2 pi minus 1 over 3 pi. So you straightforward get the answer in another side. Okay, complementary. This one we call we use the hexagon to find out the complementary identities for the trigonometry ratio. Okay. So now try these questions. Example 4. Given that he give you the value for sin 77 degree and cos 77 degree, then find the value. So you see, I want you to find 30 degree. This means we cannot use calculator. Of course, I know you use calculator, you can find out the answer, right? If you use calculator, then for what the question give you the relation this, right? Once the questions give you the information like this, it means that it don't want you to press your calculator and get the answer. If you press your calculator, for example, you press cos 13, so you will get answer is 0.9744. You use straightforward, you write the answer like this, then you will get 0 mark. Okay? Because you try, if I use calculator, I get this answer, right? No. For this question, impossible it asks you to use a calculator unless the question say use calculator to get the answer for cos 13. But the question didn't mention like this. So you need to use the information to find out the cos. Cos 13 degree. So what to do? The first step, you can draw your hexagon first. You draw your hexagon first. It won't waste you so much time. Draw your hexagon. Tangent. Tangent equals to sin over cos. Cotangent, cosecant, secant. Okay, we draw first. Okay, then 77, 13. What is the relation between 77 and 13? 77 plus 13 will become 90 degree, right? 90 degree. So it means that this is the complementary 77 degree and 13 degree. They are complementary. They are complementary angle. Okay? Okay, so cos complementary with whom? Cos, okay, we'll try A. Cos complementary dengan siapa? So you can, if you cannot remember, never mind. We just draw out our hexagon. Okay, we put an arrow. Cos complementary dengan siapa? Tepi dia ialah sin kan? Okay, complementary with sin lah. Sin 90 degree minus 13. Complementary mah. So it's sin 77 degree. Correct? Sin 77. Okay, it's here. Sin 77 equal to 0.9744. If you use calculator to place, although you get the same answer, 0 mark. Okay, because you didn't show the step, you must show the step, then you can only gain the full marks. Kalau you pakai calculator saja, 1 markah pun tak ada. Okay, faham Saya I'll let you to try B. Okay Yeah, must show the step. Yeah, must show the step. At least you show this step lah. This step. The one I tick one. Kalau step ini no show, no. Sorry lah Normally I will show 3 steps lah. 1, 2, 3. Okay, first and second and third. See, you just draw the hexagon. Although the hexagon no math, but hexagon can help us to get the correct answer. Okay, so hexagon is very useful lah. Then for B, coset 13 degree. Okay, we find the complementary for coset. Coset is here. Complementary is second second 90 degree minus 13 degree. Complementary mah. So it's second 77 degree. Second tak ada bagi pun Second sini dia tak ada bagi kan, dia bagi sin and cos, right? We change to reciprocal lah. This one you know, right? We change to reciprocal. This one tak payah tengok cos hexagon lah. You boleh ingat sudah kan? Ini senang mah. You no need to refer to this one, right? Because if you semua you bergantung kepada hexagon, nanti you sendiri keliru. So for hexagon, we remember the useful one lah. Then this one kita boleh ingat sendiri. Kita 1 over cos terus lah. 1 over cos 30. Sorry So it becomes 1 over cos 77 degree. Why multiply 77? 1 over cos the angle. 1 over cos 77. 1 over cos. Sigma 1 over cos. 1 over cos 77. Okay. Cos 77 is 0.225 or 1 per 0.225. So after this, let's check into angle. Decimal 1 divide 1 per 0.225. What is your answer? 40 over 9 or 4.444. Okay, 4.444. And remember for the answer for the trigonometry ratio, no more unit here. Dia memang tak ada unit sudah sebab dia ada ratio. Ratio tidak ada unit punya You don't put angle don't put radian here Okay. Good number. C. Cot 13 degree. Cotangent 13 degree. Cotangent. Okay. Go find cot here. Sorry. Cotangent. No, sorry. Cotangent complementary with tangent lah, cotangent reciprocal with tangent. So it's tangent 90 degree minus 13 degree. Okay, can see? So it's tangent 4.231. Tangent 77 degree. But here we don't have value for tangent, right? But you know tangent is sin over cos, so it's sin 77 degree over cos 77 degree. Okay, sin 0.9744, cos is 0.225. So your answer? Four point, 4.331. 0.230. 4.331. Answer is 4.331. Okay. Never mind. Okay. Can follow everyone? This is the step. The step to find out this type of question is given you the information is sin and cos. So what you need to do, you have to change the step. You cannot tukar the step into the term with sin 77 or the terms cos 77. Kenapa bahagi? Sebab you tak ada nilai for tangent 77 Sebab dia nak kamu pakai informasi dua ini saja untuk dapat jawapan. Sekarang kamu tak ada calculator, you tak boleh terus tekan tangent 77. No, if you press tangent 77, then you know much for the rest. Okay, for example, you get 1 mark only here. Then yang lain tak ada markah sudah. Because we need to use the information. Information yang dia bagi itu, dia hanya bagi sin 77 dan dia bagi cos 77. So your answer must related with sin and cos. You tak boleh biar dalam tangent 77. Sekarang dia macam keadaan kamu tak ada scientific calculator. You not ada scientific calculator. You have the normal calculator saja. You have the normal calculator only. So you cannot do this function like tangent 77. You cannot press off. So you have to change tangent to become sin cos first. So that you can only press that. Okay. And this one also, you see, you must change into with the form with sin 77. With the form cos 77. We cannot lay into other form. Okay, jawapan tu step kamu mesti ada sin and cos. Dan lepas tu baru boleh kira dapat makalah. So have to practice. Practice. Okay, practice make perfect. Okay, now. Okay, now you try this one. Example 5. Let's see how many questions. Last questions ready. Okay, so now you see it give you cos. Cos 63 degree equal to k, where k more than 0. K more than 0. So find the value for each of the following in the terms of k. Masalahnya dia tak ada bagi k ni. Susah. Macam mana buat ni? How to do this question? But the question gives sin cosec. Find k first. Yes, you have to find the relationship between the cos and k. Cos sin tangent. No, not draw the magic hexagon. We have to know the relation between what is cos 63 and what is the tangent 63. How are we going to find these two? Sin cos tangent. How are we going to find the relationship for sin cos tangent? Using the right angle triangle. Kita marry lah. Right angle triangle. right angle triangle using the Socato. Okay, Socato, huh? The first one, hypotenuse. Okay. Second one, the angle 63 degree here, huh? 63. So H, another side. This one is what? A, huh? Adjacent, huh? Then the another side is opposite, lah. So we draw first. Okay. They give you cos 63 equal to K. Cos is what? Socato. Okay. Socato. A over H. Yes. So cos is A over H equal to K. Lo. A is this one. H is this one. A over H equal to K. K over 1 lah. Proportional. A over H. The relations between A over H is K over 1. Why 1 ah? Because bawah tak ada apa-apa, jadi kita over 1 lah. Same thing mah. K equal to K over 1, right? Okay, huh? So far, okay? This relationship can A over H equal to K over 1 ah. Letak dalam lah. A ialah K. So, here is K. H is 1. Here is 1. Okay, what is the O leh? What is your O now? O is nobody. No. Theorem Pythagoras. Theorem Pythagoras. Theorem Pythagoras. This is not hypotenuse, so we have to use minus or hypotenuse square. The longer side, 1 square. Theorem Pythagoras. Kenapa? Tolak mah sebab dia bukan hypotenuse. 1 square. Bukan K square sebab hypotenuse is the longer side. Longer side, the longest one. So it's 1 square minus K square. Okay, now we get H, A, O already lah. Semua sudah ada value. So your cos we have already, sorry. We have to find sin. Okay, so what is your sin and what is your tangent now? We find first. What is your sin? 63 degree now. Sin is so O over H. Sin is O over H. So O over H. O is square root 1 square minus K square over H. H is 1 lah. So your sin is square root 1 square minus K square lah. Jadi kita sudah dapat dia punya relation for sin lah. Then another one, we prepare for tangent also lah. Tangent 63 degree equal to O over A. O is square root 1 square minus K square. Then A is K lah. This one. So we get the relation for sin and tangent already lah. Then we only start to find the value. Oh. My slide gone. Sorry, wait a minute. Have you seen the slide? Is it gone? Oh my god. I didn't save it. Oh, actually it's still here. Can see the screen? 没有 no screen already 哈。No screen 哈。Okay, wait a moment 哈。Sorry, technical problem. Apa tuh? Apa tuh Anmo? Can see? Can see the screen now? Can see the screen now? Sorry, ha. Let's continue, ha. Can luckily that I hear. Okay, sin and tangent we have now, ha. So now we can find A lah. Sin 63 degrees. See? Straightforward, write the answer now lah, because we get it already just now. 1 square minus k square. Okay? Square root of 1 square minus k square, huh? Then B, sin 27. Okay, then of course this one is related with the complementary lah, huh? 63, 27. No, you cannot 63 minus 27. You have to use a complementary. Complementary, draw the hexagon lah. Tangent equal to sin over cos, then tangent cosecant, and the secant. Okay, sin. Kawan dia, complementary dia, sin is cos lah. Cos 90 minus 27. So it's cos 63 degree. Okay, cos 63 degree. So it's K lah. Okay, then C, cosec. Okay, cosecant 27 degree. Cosec, complementary. Secant, cosec, complementary with secant. Tak payah pergi hafal itu formula. Terus pakai hexagon, help you. Okay, so it's become secant 90 minus 27 lah. So, secant 63 degree, because we cannot find the value with 27. If this question it give you the value is 63 degree one, so you have to change everything into to 63 degree first. Into to 63 degree first, you can only find the answer. This one is 63. Then this one also you have to change it into to 63 first. Okay. Then after this, because of the secant dah kan. From this triangle, we cannot, so we have to change some. Secant 1, 2, 3, 1 over cos 63 degree. Okay, so cos 63, 1 over k. So 4 marks right here. Can? Boleh? Boleh, Boleh, So this is the homework today, but we don't end up first because the next lesson will be a lot of teens. So I want to introduce the first part to you for the next lesson first. So for next lesson, we will learn about the trigonometry ratios. How we going 1 over k. Later you refer to the notes. So now I want to introduce you we will learn about the 4 methods, 4 methods to find the trigonometry ratios for any angles for the next lesson. So next lesson, actually, I will touch for the method 1, 2, 3. You see this? Calculator, unit circle, and reference angle. Then, of course, the most easiest one is the calculator. Sebab kamu ada calculator, terus tekan saja. But this one, this only the simple questions. But today I'm going to teach you what is the calculator one. So that the next lesson I can concentrate on you how we're going to find the answer using the reference angle. Okay, then these four methods, we will have four methods to find the trigonometry ratio, right? So this four methods, semua kena belajar. So all you have to learn because it's all in the exam scope. Kena belajar lah, tak boleh skip. Okay, so we see this one. How we going to determine the values of trigonometry ratios for any angle? The first one is we use the triangle. We use the calculator. We can use calculator to find the angles for sin, cos, tangent. You see this? We can use calculator to find sin, cos, tangent only, right? But for cosecant, secant, and cotangent, we cannot lah. But we can use the reciprocals because the reciprocal is very easy, right? Reciprocal, this one you can remember, Okay. Cosec, 1 over sin. Secant, 1 over cos. Cotan, 1 over tan. This one can, This one can, Cosec, 1 over sin. Secant, 1 over cos. Cotan, 1 over tan. This one no need to use the hexagon to memory lah. This one sendiri ingat lah, Boleh? Okay. For the complementary, then you only use the hexagon. So that you won't confuse. Okay or not? Then this is, today I want to show you, because I found that still a lot of students confused of the model calculator that they are going to use. So today I'm going to show you what types of compatible calculator models. Not lelong to you, you buy yourself. Okay, so ini yang kita boleh pakai lah untuk SPN and also in your university semua boleh pakai. Now this one we call the non-programming calculator. Okay, ini bukan program punya. Ini boleh bawa pergi exam hall for your exam. So the first one is the 5-7 all. This one. This one. Normally you use this one lah, because your old generation budak mah. Then younger generation budak semua pakai EX sekarang. 5-7 all EX. Yang younger generation lah. Kamu ini old generation sudah. Budak yang tua sudah. Macam cikgu sudah tua punya. Okay, so this one, the one you use 5-7 all MS 5-7 all ES more expensive. But I just bought the pink color one. I like it, Yeah, I bought the pinky one. It's very nice. Ask for sponsor, no need You got 100 ringgit every year, so you can use that. So this one, okay lah. Then what is the difference between the 5-7 all ES and 991 ES? You tengok dia punya model belakang ini. ES, actually these two are the same. The only difference is, you see ES here, 991 dia pakai solar system. Okay, dia ada solar. Then this one tak ada solar, dia pakai itu battery biasa sajalah, use the normal battery. Then this one with the battery and solar system together lah. So the price will be vary for how many tens ringgit I don't know lah. This one almost 100 I think. This one I don't remember, 60 or 70 is it? Then this one is more yen very cool nice cantik limited edition. But actually their functions are the same. Okay. Their functions are the same. The programming, everything the same. The only difference is the battery. This one plus the solar system. So if you don't have the budget, you no need to buy this one lah. Because the solar, then sometimes also very easy to get broken also. Dia selalu senang untuk rosak juga. Got battery also, don't worry. Both battery and solar. Then this one is for battery only. But if you are affordable, I recommend you to buy this one, 5-7 all ES. Cikgu bukan promote ada itu interest apa-apa. For my experience, I compare. This one is nice because dia sudah upgrade dia punya program there are a lot of function Then YouTube also got teach you how to use the 570 ES in a lot of calculation. Easier lah, more user friendly compare with MX. Okay, ES compare with MS of course lah, sebab dia lebih lebih suitable to the more function okay. Then another one is the ES lah, ES plus this one. I've been using this one also lah. Okay also, this one is okay also. This one like the first generation, second generation, and now come to the third generation. As long as you see the model, as long as 570 boleh pakai. Okay? 570 boleh pakai tapi yang tak boleh pakai punya incompatible ada banyak budak yang masih using 350 cannot use this one you use this one a lot of you cannot find out. You cannot find out for also this one 350 is not suitable for Form 5 student. Okay, ada budak yang masih pakai 350 tak? Can let me know or not? Can you let me know? Can let me know? Don't buy 350 Now you can go Shopee buy the cheaper one. As long as 570. Don't use the 350 Then of course the other computer, other calculator like this cannot be used because we don't have the scientific function. Okay, so at least 370 and above. Okay, then calculator. This one, the example using the calculator It's straightforward. You know how to press this? Can everyone press this one? Use your calculator. Sing bracket. Semua orang tekan. Tengok boleh dapat jawapan ini tak? Then this one radian. Syntax error. Syntax error means that you don't know how to press. How are you going to press? For this one, sing. How are you going to press? You press sing bracket. Put the symbol negative. Press the symbol negative. 215. The symbol for angle. Then 12. Symbol again for the angle. Cross your bracket. Equal. Then get the answer. Okay? Okay, we'll look at B now. Second. Okay, second, change change into 1 over cos. 1 over cos, negative 4.14. Oh, radian. You know how to change radian into angles for your calculator? I don't teach you the method. I don't like to use the method. I will ask you to change it into the angles first. Okay, I will ask you to change into the angle first. So it's cos negative 4.14 or 4.14. Change to the angle is 180 over pi. So it will become 1 over cos. (4.14) times 180 divided by so you get negative 237.17 something. Okay, so you use 1 over cos. So your answer is negative 1.845 or 1.846. Okay, both can. Okay, Anna. So this one use calculator the basic one. So use the unit circle one that I will go through it by next week. Not next week, but this Friday, okay? So we end up our lesson today, and this is the homework today. 4 questions. 2 questions for your textbook and 2 questions for your workbook. Okay? Later I will upload the homework notes and also the video.